Hey guys, heading out because me and Divine have an adventure again. Concert time. Bye. Hi guys. So, I've started one of my concert vlogs right here. Hold on, I'm gonna put my headphones in. It's only 4 o'clock and it looks so dark. But yeah, Divine and I are going to a concert again. We're gonna go meet up with her at Atlantic again. My outfit is okay, but I feel comfortable, so that's okay. I'm bald-headed. Woohoops. Alright. I spot you first.
Why are we doing the same thing?
I spot you first. Hey. Hey.
We're trying to walk there and get there at the same time. Some guy was hitting on Shanice on the train.
He froze. He stopped talking.
It was so funny. We walked up to the car and it was two of them. They both just, yeah, my arm is so extended. They both just stopped talking.
Yeah.
And as soon as we walked on the train and we sat down, they were like,
all up in it. But right now we're walking to...
We're trying to find the place.
Yeah, South
hopefully
Street.
that we get there.
Should we just walk straight down to the
I
South
think
Street?
we might as well just walk straight down then turn this way.
Yeah,
Because it says take a left.
Yeah, on
So
this
yeah, we
cherry.
can just take a left there.
Yeah. Oh, they're going to. Hey
I think
girls,
so, too.
friends.
I feel like we're behind people and people that are in front of us and behind. They're all going together. We're trying to find the same
lit.
spot.
It's not as lit.
I'm just excited to sing and dance.
Well, let me tell you
And they
guys
have a
fun
photo
story.
booth too.
Oh, they do? Let me tell you guys a fun story, right? So, Divine sent me the link to this event, right? When she sent it to me, I was like, oh, I already got it. So I thought she had a ticket, but I didn't. I booked the ticket after.
I sent it to her so that I could sign her up for it, and you know, we could both have the ticket, you know. But she was like, I already got it. I said, oh, okay. Heard you.
So now we got like
You don't need me.
we got 2 extra tickets, but
That ass.
friends.
We don't have any more.
So,
I'm gonna send out some applications for strangers while we're walking.
and be like, y'all wanna go
See if
see
we find any
SZZZAAA?
cute guys for me, you know. And you know, maybe one might just be my date.
Yeah, got an extra ticket. We'll see. So yeah, we're walking. We're walking. We're walking. We're walking. We're walking. We're walking. Ow! Said he's not even here for SZZZAAA. He's here for Post Malone. You 1%.
Post Malone, honestly, truly.
Making a guest appearance.
No. This is my camera time. Angles.
Angles, right. But we here for SZZZAAA
He's
all the
tall.
way.
If you cut it down
If
just
the
a
light
little bit,
is
we
low.
can't even see him anymore. Either way, like.
But here for SZZZAAA. Okay.
Post Malone.
We do, but we're not here for him. I like Post Malone. I'm kind of
No,
sort
I'm
of
just
here.
so happy to be
Alright, anyways, I'm kind of sort of here for SZZZAAA and Ty Dolla Sign because I like Ty Dolla Sign.
Been on this line for so long.
We really have been. We got here like 5.
It is now
6 o'clock.
We got our passes, so we fit. Not gang. It's so long, guys. We're like all the way up there, and I was just like, let me see how long this line actually is. And it is long. We are waiting for Roro to bring her butt.
This line is literally traveling. We left Shanice behind so that we could have our same spot in the line. Nah, it's still going. This is a mess. I don't even know where Roro is either.
I want to say I saw my friend down here.
Your friend is down here?
Yeah, I'm about to. Ooh, that's smell that tooth though.
It's loud. Okay.
Very loud. Okay.
We finally made it through the test. And look who's here. It's Roro. Roro here.
Malik to get in.
Oh wow, it got dark. Malik's getting scanned right now. I am for real. It's lit.
I'm really excited to bring up these DJs. They're going to be your hosts this evening.
I don't like chocolate. You don't like chocolate, but I want chocolate.
You ready
This
to
is the
start?
coolest thing
Keep
ever.
code.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad am I? I don't know. Okay, a real question.
All signs point yes. Oh, look at me, a man! I'm getting a man. Yo, you ain't getting nothing in life.
I drank it all because I'm a fatty. Look, we're matching. We didn't even plan this. I'm short sleeve, she's long sleeve. And this bitch. Go ahead, Roro. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey. Drink up, drink up.
It's chocolate,
She doesn't like chocolate,
but I'm cold.
but it's good. I have to chase it. We lost Malik. He went to go find his best friend, the bar. But
The bar.
he'll be back soon. Oh, we're about to go inside that thing and jump around in the snow globe and take pictures. Wait.
Put your motherfucking hands up and make some noise. What the fuck Brooklyn at this motherfucker?
Okay.
What Queens at this motherfucker?
Brooklyn is all here, baby.
Where Manhattan at this motherfucker? Uh-oh. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Girl, you should know that I can love you better than he can. You should know that I can love you better than he can. Girl, you should know that I can love you. See if you can get him. Better than he can. Well, look, wait.
You already know my money go a long time. I could slide for like that. I'ma go as far. Girl, is you fucking me?
Good.
Yo, New York, who wants some money real quick? Hands up, hands up! New York City, give us your fucking energy right now, okay? Let's turn this shit up. Get those hands up, we want some fucking money right now, okay? Get your hands up!
It's just gone. I thought it was 100. It's always singles. I'm not a stripper.
to redeem our
low-key
stuff.
cheated, but we did it. We about to see what we about to get.
Secure the bag.
Secure the bag.
Secure the bag alert.
Secure the
Secure the
bag.
bag alert.
Telling you I'm fighting instead of let you know I I'm not keeping you, but you got to I even see when they banging your give me no leave for pretty away. You know I need someone just like that. I could be so I don't see myself. Why I can't stay on this by myself. I wish I was comfortable just with myself, but I need you. You guys, we finally fucking made it to each other. Never go back. No, you can't make me. Never go back. Never go back. They never word. I had a weird blessing where I got considered for Grammys, and I wanted to thank you because I know damn fucking well if it wasn't for y'all listening and giving a fuck about anything I have to think or feel or say, and being a family with me and growing our family as big as we can grow it, that shit really changed my life. You changed my fucking life. You changed my life. You changed my fucking life. Thank you. Baby, I get so lonely, I forget what I'm worth. We get so lonely, we pretend that this works. I'm so ashamed of myself, think I need them for me. Just to look comfortable. I like the way you light up. Nothing more and more. Watching from the side. More than unpopular, I was like deeply awkward, like deeply couldn't get a fucking word out. Couldn't form a sentence, like it was rough as fuck. And I guess I didn't want to be popular, but I craved like being normal or being less than strange as fuck. So I wrote this song about that desire to be normal. I wish I was her. I wish I was her. I wish I was her. Thank you. The way I put my feet, why do I press my hips? For your affection, wanna be down. No fighting and no stopping. You think around. Who feels like they're going through mad transitions, like they're not the same person they were last week? Facts. Who feels like they're not the same person they were this morning? Okay. Y'all honest. I low-key feel like I'm not even the same person I was when I stepped on this motherfucker. Okay, so I wrote this song as one of the older versions of me from a newer version of me for a person I needed for that older version of me. Okay. Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my problem? You know I'll be difficult, you know it gets difficult. Open your heart up, hoping you'll never fall in love that to anyone else. 'Cause I love you, I won't be with you, my girl. This way it is, I know I'm selfish, know where I'm this. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend.
7 days of the week.
Every weekend.
Right.
My man is your man, her, that's her man. Tuesday to Wednesday, every day. I keep satisfied.
7 days of the week.
Every day.
Every
You
day.
like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. God bless you, New York, for your fucking love and energy and hanging out with me. And I swear to God, for y'all to be in the rain, and then they cooked up some fucking snow when y'all got in here, which was crazy as hell. I did not see that. Thank you so much for your energy and for your love and respect. Sending you love. My name is SZZAAA. God bless.
Fall apart.
They go
Down to my core. We miss Post Malone and I'm so sad.
He's coming out.
Oh, he's coming out now. Yay! Wait,
I was supposed to go on like 20 minutes ago, but they're having a little technical difficulty, so we're just figuring this shit out. Then we'll turn the fuck out!
My guy! With the ball guy!
Told me that I'm not enough, and she left me with a broken heart. See, you fooled me twice and it's all my fault. She got too deep, now she let me fall.
I'm tall. Getting out of this. I look fine. That's the end of our video.